On January 21, 1968, something unthinkable happened above the frozen Arctic. A U.S. Air Force bomber, armed with nuclear weapons, burst into flames in the sky. Minutes later, it crashed onto the ice near Greenland. This was not a war. This was not an attack. This was an accident, one the world was never meant to see. Today, we uncover the Thule nuclear accident, the Cold War incident that almost vanished beneath the ice. During the Cold War, the United States maintained a constant airborne nuclear alert. This program was known as Operation Chrome Dome. Day and night, B-52 bombers flew with live nuclear weapons, ready to strike the Soviet Union at a moment's notice. One of those aircraft was a B-52 Stratofortress, patrolling the Arctic skies near Greenland. Inside the aircraft, a routine heating problem turned deadly. Seat cushions near an air vent ignited. The fire spread fast. Thick smoke filled the cockpit. The crew tried to save the plane, but failed. At 31,000 feet, the order was given: abandon aircraft. The bomber crashed onto the frozen sea near Thule Air Base. On board were 4 thermonuclear bombs. The conventional explosives inside the weapons detonated on impact, shattering the bombs and scattering radioactive material across the ice. This was not a nuclear explosion, but it was a nuclear disaster. The U.S. launched a massive secret cleanup operation. Thousands of tons of contaminated ice were removed and shipped to the United States. But the Arctic is unforgiving. Plutonium particles sank beneath the ice, raising fears that not everything was ever recovered. There was another problem. Denmark officially banned nuclear weapons on its territory. Greenland was Danish land, yet nuclear bombs had crashed there. The incident sparked decades of political controversy, worker compensation lawsuits, and accusations of secrecy. One disturbing rumor never died: that one of the 4 bombs may never have been fully recovered. The U.S. denies this, but declassified documents leave questions unanswered. The Thule accident changed history quietly. Soon after, the U.S. ended airborne nuclear alert missions. The risk was simply too high. No enemy fired a missile that day. No war was declared, yet the world came terrifyingly close to catastrophe by accident. Sometimes, the most dangerous moments in history are the ones no one meant to happen.